Welcome to the episode of the Subdivision. In this one you see me working with the electrician and Dave the trenchman surging ahead on our subdivision. Just a few more dollars. There won't be too much project work on cars or bikes at the moment because we're subdividing the property. We're slicing it right up the middle, right in half, and we're making the driveway at the front common property. On the back block here, I've decided to put a house. I've just mowed it this morning. It is winter. Only the weeds grow in winter. Well, on this bit anyway. Got to clean up this. The tanks are going to go. I'm going to get rid of these tanks. I'm going to buy a metal tank because there's a bushfire overlay. Hits the corner of the property. I think it hits the corner of his, and that's the bushfire overlay. So they want 5,000 litre metal tank or concrete. So the plastic ones, I'm going to sell them. The old barn, of course it stays. It's me delight. It's close to the heart. It's close to the heart. Close to the heart. Close to the heart. Yeah, it's in the heart there, Mickey boy. It's in the heart. So I'll have to cut this out and then chop that out. I'll put another pole. I'm going to move that fence. Well, I'm going to move all these poles. I'm going to move that fence. I'm going to move everything. I'm parking a house on the back. And the Shire, they come and trim the trees for us because when we get the truck through, we're parking it on the back. We haven't found a house yet because we haven't got the permit. Oh, we found them, but we haven't got the permit. So this is the last tick for the statement of compliance. Then after that, it'll go to the registry. Once we've got a title, we'll have the building permit. As you can see, we're doing a 600mm trench, which is about, I don't know how wide the bucket is, 200 wide. And Dave, the Bobcat operator extraordinaire, excavator man, runs at about 20 metres per hour. But in 1 hour, this is 30 metres. So he did well. So he goes down, he hit a bit of stone. See this white stuff? It's called calcrete. We'll have the electrician coming soon. The operator will go away for a while, a couple of hours. The electrician will lay the conduit with the electrical wires in here, and we're putting the NBN on top. Normally up the driveway 450, it's up to the electrician where he wants it. And we're going to put a meter box right here on the front. I might have to skewer this up, but the electrician and I will work on that, and we'll put a box on here, and that will be for the house. The carport, I can't get the stretch on it. I've got this other pole and I started working on that, but I'm still mowing the grass as well. So bear with me, folks. There's only 24 hours in the day, and there's a guy over the road. Now he's got a sign up through here. Dave the trencher said they're upgrading the NBN pits around in the area, and we can see on the nature strip they've made some marks. This is very timely for the back house. You won't get any wires from the street for power. It's all run up the driveway. We've already got electricity, you know. We've got the electricity. We've got the electricity already on. It's quite luxury to have power. You know, everyone's going solar, but I'm going to go another way. I'm going to ask him if they're upgrading the NBN pits, right? Here you go, mate. Are you guys doing the signs? Are they upgrading the NBN pits around here?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, yeah, great. Yeah, because I'm getting NBN put on the back block.
Oh, yeah.
Timely, hey?
Yeah,
Well,
no, just
how do you like the timing?
That's good timing.
Oh, fantastic.
The guys are going to shoot the fibre through probably next week, they'll probably start.
Oh, that's incredible.
Today.
That's incredible because I think that's the pit right at the front there, and that trench is going down there for my power.
Yep.
It's going on the power pole down to the back shed, and then we're going to drive a house on.
Oh, okay, yeah, right.
Driving the house, so I'll pull the carport down and these fences, and we're going to drive a house into there.
Oh, right. So
I haven't got the permit yet. This is the last tick.
yeah, okay.
They're just a highway because of the crashing between Store and Ararat.
Oh, jeez. Me, I wouldn't have a clue. I'm just a lucky mate, just helping the hootie out. What about a bit of water?
Address or lot number here?
Oh, is it lot 2? Here's the stake, mate. So it's 1.4, 1.4 or 1.3, whatever it is.
Yeah, what's it off the fence? The fence is always going to be here.
All right, we'll get a tape.
Yeah.
I'll get a tape, boss. That's it. That's well done. That's well done. Right, got to drill 4 holes. This is the extension. I'm going to experiment so I have more room to stretch the sail so it's right up in the air. I might have to make another one yet from the other side. I don't have a welder on site. Only work's got that. So, got to get a screw. It helps when you always have the right drill bits and you know where all the drill bits are. I've used them in this job before, so. I've put this hook up higher now and on this one, and I've got me the ID inside diameter of this pole. I met without, it's got an interference of a weld in there too, but I made it 82, exactly 82. So it'll slide down there and get really hard. I won't be able to get it out. But that's what the idea is. If I can't get it out, I can't get it out. Got to put the hook on the inside, right? Then we bash it in. That's it. It's tight, tight man. Done it. Right, now I've got to get that up to here. Always release it a bit or pull it in. Whew. Organic kombucha, no sugar, wild berry, you folks, by Remedy. So we just finished our NBN power and it's all finished, as you can see. So that started at about 9:30 and that was finished by 2 o'clock, I think. And there's the box and everything all done. So quite happy. And then I decided to do another job and I put the extension up as you've seen before. The extension up, and it just gave us enough toe on it, and I had 2 extra shackles on here and 2 extra on here, and I pulled them out and I had one on there and I pulled it over and it's really tight now. See that? It can go more. If I have to go more later, I'll work that out, but it's really happy with the outcome. It's quite precise. Got to get the angles right, and the distances is very precise. So it's worked out. I like it. You want, I've got it. You want, I've got it. Yeah, good one. Don't know what "lon" means. Oh, on. Here's the new box, the electrical box that comes in via the underground wires, and they're the wires that are going to connect up to the, I would say the smart meter goes here. So we've done a good job, and as promised, I promised the electrician I would shore this up because there's no power on here. It's not even connected on the pole yet. I will shore this up and make it solid and square, and I did. I'm not going to pull that off to show you, but I put 6 screws in the back. But the trouble is there was no battens in the back, and he couldn't screw to anything. And you know, some electricians have half a dozen jobs in a day, so he's in the hop. So I'm his sidekick. So if you go like this, like that, it is rock solid, rock solid. And we'll show you the back here. It did take a little time to get the battens in here because I had to find the appropriate screws, and this is all hardwood. That's how, oh, this one's not hardwood, but I didn't screw the box into that one. But I made this one, and I made this one. It was full of spiders, of course, and I had to clean all this out, and I screwed them up, I leveled it off, and that's why we got the box so secure. So that's what I promised the electrician, and it's done to as per Fitter and Turner standards. Part of the statement of compliance for the subdivision of the property, apart from moving a few things around, was that we'd get power to the node. So it comes from the pit to the property, and the electrician suggested, well, just put the smart meter on the shed, and then afterwards you just connect it to the house, and that stays here. You don't have to have the box on the house. A few weeks ago we tapped into the sewer, and we got a water mains on also. So this all costs money in preparation. The sewer main and the water main run down the lane here. So they tapped in from the lane under here, and here's the sewer. That's the sewer pipe. There's no smell. And here's the water meter. It's on 0, hasn't been used yet. So we haven't used that. So I started this subdivision process about April 2023. We contacted Town Planners, which are a private company, and they have all the knowledge and experience. The people that are involved in the process is town planners, draftsmen, an architect, bushfire management personnel, plumber, the water board involved with the sewer and the mains, and now we had the electrician, and we had Dave the digger. So far there's been a lot of costs. Down the track I'll let you know exactly how much it costs. We still haven't got the house on, and the power to the house and the water to the house. It'll add up, and then when we collate it all at the end, we give you the price. So then you can work out if it's reasonable. Thanks for watching the episode, folks. Wasn't it a grand, handy dandy one? Close to the heart, close to the heart, close to the heart.